I am Yahweh Love, Elohim, Creator Elohim, the creator of planet Venus in heaven. This message is about the Titanic. It was the first day of October, 1722, off of the coast of Barbados, and I was working on my new chapter of my book, The Titanic, which was a romantic novel, and I used that to create the first book adaptation to movies that I was creating at that time. Me, Yahweh, Love Elohim, Creator Elohim of planet Venus in heaven. It was the first day of October 1722, and as I was working on my new chapter, The Titanic, which is a romantic novel, which was going to be adapted for movies, which I did accomplish that. I was trying to find the creator of the Hebrew Israelites at the same time. They had been airlifted to my planet Venus in heaven about 1492, about 500 years ago, before the Bible was written, and right before the English dictionary was written with my name English. Yoel Yahweh, Enosh, God Elohim, I am the creator of the English language. So, 1611 Bible came out and the 1604 English dictionary came out. And then they made up something with my name, King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Then their creator, when I was there, visited them on my planet Venus in heaven. Now the God on Mount Zion had died in heaven, not too much before that, claiming to be the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob on my planet Venus in heaven. Me, Yahweh, Love Elohim, Creator Elohim of planet Venus in heaven. So when that one died on Mount Zion, claiming to be the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, then I created the penny with Abraham Lincoln and the $5 with my name Abil, Elohim, Yahweh Elohim, of where the Bible is spelt with my name, E-B-I-L. So, in 1722, their creator never returned to them. That's all the people of the writers of the Bible. The first day of October, 1722, when I was writing my new chapter of my book, The Titanic, which is a romantic novel that was the first adaptation to movie, and I did do funding for that. I completed that. And when they're created and I come back, I put 2 boats together and 1 ship, Just Always was the name of my 2 boats, 1 boat named Just, the other boat named All, and the other boat was a ship named Waves. Just Always. And when all of the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, their tribes and their clans in 1722, when they prayed to my ship, Waves, they thought it was the Titanic. A book, not a boat. And then they found my boats, Just All, with my gifts for their creator of the Hebrew Israelites that they had left on my planet, Venus in heaven, 500 years ago. And they found all these treasures and all these relics and what they thought were valuable. Those were my gifts to their creator, the Hebrew Israelites, in October of 1722. And Titanic was put, since I am the creator of Love Elohim, the creator of Thanksgiving. I created Thanksgiving. It would be the 3rd day of October. And the word Titanic will be spelled with the word Thanksgiving with a letter K. Since I am the creator Elohim, love Elohim, the creator of the creator of Thanksgiving, she who became named Vase did become the creator of vastness with heights where angels originate. Those are female. So yes, this was about the Titanic and that I did the first book adapted to movies about my romantic novel, The Titanic, the first day of October 1722 off the coast of Barbados. And we're going to travel by the Bermuda Triangle, LGBT. Now when I find those Hebrew Israelites that all pray to my boat, and I can find their creator, I know it's not the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, because I killed that one on Mount Zion for trying to look at my wife, Ruth. Thanks. And yeah, and that penny, Abraham Lincoln, and that $5. Exodus chapter 3, verse 15. You had three different ones with three different GODs. That GOD is not your word. Thanks. And when I return that, YACHT, you know, a letter Y makes a W sound in English. The word would be called watch and pray, but you think it's called a yacht?